having matcha for the first time. So we actually shot for a couple of brands. And I have fun. Yeah. Why are you laughing? Tell the audience. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is Zomaland Day. Is it pronounced as Zoma? I think it's pronounced as Zomaland, as far as I know. I am going for it. I've never been for it before, and this is my first time I'm going. So let's see how it is. I have no idea how it's going to be. I'm assuming it's going to be something like Lil Flea with, stalls, etc. But here many people are like playing different sets, like music shows, and I think there's comedy shows as well. So when I booked the tickets, Ashish Solanki was going to perform today. But on the Instagram channel, I saw that he is performing tomorrow. So I have no idea how that happened because I really wanted to see him perform. But anyways, let's see. Nikhil D'Souza, who has sung quite a few famous songs in Bollywood, is performing today. So yeah, let's just see how it's going to be. It's already 4 now and I'm going to leave because Matangi is going to be waiting for me and I have to pick her up on the way. But it's really sunny. I can literally see how sunny it is. But that's why I'm wearing this like really cute vest, which I will show you all in the lift. So this is my outfit. This is a very cute, nice vest from H&M, and I'm wearing shoes because you have to be comfy. My style is only till here. Baki niche I have to wear like comfy shoes because we might have to walk quite a bit. So we have reached the venue, and as usual I don't have my mic because I have a mic but I never carry it, so I have to like talk like this so that you all can hear.
But it's actually audible. It's not a problem.
Even I think it's not audible, and then I see it and then it's very audible. And I always tell my audience, I hope you all can hear me and everything.
I can hear that also very well.
So we have reached the location and show them the passes. And we have the general access pass, but then I think we also have some taste pass. So I think there's some free taste things on this. So we're excited to see what that is. We have never come here before.
Actually, yeah, this is my first time as well.
What do you think? What's going to happen?
I think it's just going to be a lot of good food, good music, and just a good chill time for all.
And maybe games or something.
Yeah, probably.
And I think now the weather is getting better. It was pretty sunny, but now it's a little better. So let's go. So we actually shot for a couple of brands. It feels so like crazy to say this.
Instagram,
But like Instagram pages, but it was for Cornetto because I think they're launching their new flavor or something like that. So it was so much fun. They asked us so many questions. If I find the reel, I'll like maybe link it or something. I don't know. Let's see. When they post. But I'll let you all know the page. They told us the page. It was called some Snack Media or Snacko Media or something. So yeah, we're just waiting in line at this booth to get some very cool photo booth pictures. We got really cute photo booth pictures.
I just removed one, but yeah, we both got the copy, but it's
so cute. And it's like this Cornetto had their booth. Very cute. And that's the main stage. There was a comedian that performed. It was really nice. And now it's going to like roam around, walk around, chill, find some good spots to eat and drink something. Though both of us actually just recovered from a cold. I'm still recovering.
But it's so hot that
We feel like having something cold. And our moms will probably shout at us.
sorry.
But sorry.
I'm a matcha girly. So this is my first matcha.
Say loudly.
It's my first matcha.
It's your first matcha, okay? So, we got these drinks from DRNK. She's having matcha for the first time, and with me, I'm so happy. It's really tasty. I liked it, but
It's nice, it's nice.
Now take you time to acquire the flavor.
Yeah, like I took 2 sips and then I liked it.
And mine is the pink lemon. Yeah. And Nikhil D'Souza is playing in the background. Oh my god, it's so cool. The vibe is amazing. Show the flower. He got flowers.
So we are at Foo. Show the.
We are at Foo.
We are having the truffle edamame dumplings.
Yes.
And I'm waiting for it. Hungry.
I'm getting to vlog because finally the music is shut.
Nikhil D'Souza's performance was so good.
So good, yeah.
Especially- I don't remember the name of the last song.
तुझको जो पाया was the song that he
It's
sang.
an OG song.
Yeah.
I knew the lyrics, but I don't remember the name of the song.
Yeah, but
anyway.
he sang more English songs because he said he doesn't get to do that in like college fest. So I think that's why he did it. But it was lots of fun, and I had fun. Suddenly, there are many ads playing. Now we are gonna have good flipping burgers.
Yeah, let's go.
So
see that.
let's go for that because we had oh my god, it's too loud. So we are at Theo Broma, like the Theo Broma stall now, and we had 650 rupees left. So we have ordered 6 butter croissant to take home to have a breakfast tomorrow. To just make sure our money is over and we don't leave anything in the card. No wastage.
Paisa vasool.
Kanjusi ya paisa vasool.
Paisa vasool.
Yeah. Why are you laughing? Tell the audience. That's because, can you see that car right there?
car.
So we were literally like posing. We kept, oh sorry, there's
kept
too much
our
noise.
croissant.
We kept our croissant. We kept everything on that car. We're nicely posing and everything because it was my car. It is my car, right? We're fully posing. Half an hour took pictures. I went to open the car. It's not opening, it's not opening. And I'm like, these seat covers don't look like my car.
There were some things behind. I
Behind,
was like,
and her bag was also there in the car. But we were like, maybe she kept it behind. Who remembers? And then when we were taking the pictures, I looked at my car, and said, "There's so many cars like mine. It looks like my car only." And then
when she was putting the key, she realizes that
it's
it's
not
her
and then
car.
she's Arama standing there to
Obviously,
open it.
It's not. She should know it's her car. She drives
But
the
I
car.
did not look at the number plate. I just looked at the car like upar
You know,
se.
when you drive a car so much, you form an emotional bond with it.
I have an emotional bond. That's why I found it again soon. Soon? Yes. So I am filming this the day that I'm gonna post it, which is today. So yeah, we went to Zomaland, had a really fun evening. As I said, a comedian performed, then Nikhil D'Souza performed, and we just had lots of food. We went to Good Flippin' Burgers. We had matcha and lemonade from this place called Drink. And what else did we do? We got something from Theo Broma. And yeah, we got the truffle edamame dumplings from Fu. And we were just roaming around, chilling, talking, vibing to the music. And this is a sign for y'all to actually go for all such events that keep happening in Mumbai. A lot of events happen at the Mahalakshmi Racecourse. And even at Geo, like Lil Flea, Zomaland, a lot of other such festival type events. So you all should definitely check it out because it's a very, very, very good activity to do with your friends. Something very different from the normal, stuff that you can do. So that's it for the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're very close to hitting 1K. Very close in the sense, I think around 65-ish subscribers away. So please make me hit the subscribers soon.